Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Imagine a universe where rut is the only option. We're talking about one-dimensional space, a concept so mind-bendingly simple, it's profoundly complex. Forget your three-dimensional woes. In this world, existence is just a line. This isn't just a philosophical thought experiment. Understanding one-dimensional space helps us grasp the very fabric of reality. It's a fundamental building block, a conceptual stepping stone to higher dimensions. So, buckle up because we're about to get linear. Picture a perfectly straight, infinitely long line. That's it. That's the entire universe. In one-dimensional space, there's only one axis of movement. You can go forward or you can go backward. There is no sideways, no up, no down. Think of a bead on a string. That bead is living its best one-dimensional life. Its entire reality is confined to that single path. Every point in this universe can be described by a single number, its position on the line. Now let's try to imagine living in such a place. If you're a one-dimensional being, you're essentially a point or a segment on that line. Your entire perception of the universe would be limited to what's directly in front of or behind you. There's no concept of around. Communication would be tricky. If two beings are on the line, they can only pass each other if one moves out of the way, or if they occupy the exact same point, which is usually a recipe for disaster. There's no stepping aside. Consider two one-dimensional creatures. Let's call them Alice and Bob. If Alice is at position 5 and Bob is at position 10, and they both want to move to position 7, they have a problem. They can't just walk past each other. One must completely reverse direction and move away for the other to pass. This makes traffic jams an existential crisis. There's no way to bypass an obstacle. If something is in your path, you either have to wait for it to move, or you're stuck forever. Talk about commitment issues. In our 3D world, we can turn around, pivot, or rotate. In one dimension, turning around simply means reversing your direction of travel. There's no concept of orientation beyond which way you're facing on the line. You can't face a different direction without moving. This lack of rotational freedom means that the very idea of shape as we understand it is meaningless. A one-dimensional object is just a length. It has no width, no height, no curves that aren't just part of its linear extent. Perhaps the most mind-bending aspect is the absence of an outside. If you're a 1D being, there's no space beyond the line. You can't step off it, because there's nowhere to step to. The line is everything. This makes concepts like inside and outside incredibly difficult to define. A 1D house would just be a segment of the line. If you're inside it, you're just occupying that segment. There's no way to enclose anything. So why bother with this linear thought experiment? Because it helps us appreciate the richness of our own three-dimensional existence. It highlights how fundamental concepts like movement, interaction, and even perception are tied to the number of dimensions we inhabit. It also serves as a stepping stone for understanding higher dimensions. If we can barely wrap our heads around one dimension, imagine trying to visualize 4 or more. It's a humbling exercise in spatial reasoning. From a mathematical perspective, one-dimensional space is beautifully simple. It's the foundation of coordinate systems. Every point is just a single real number. This simplicity allows mathematicians to build complex theories from the ground up. It's where we start understanding vectors, distances, and intervals. These basic concepts, first mastered in one dimension, then scale up to describe our more complex world. It's the kindergarten of geometry. While seemingly simple, one-dimensional space reveals profound truths about boundaries and limitations. It shows us how the addition of just one more dimension, like moving from a line to a plane, unlocks an exponential increase in possibilities. Imagine the sheer joy of a 1D being discovering a second dimension. Suddenly, they can step off the line, move around obstacles, and see things from a completely new perspective. It would be a revelation. And here's the twist. While we might scoff at the limitations of a one-dimensional universe, consider this. What if we are the one-dimensional beings in a higher dimensional reality? What if our 3 spatial dimensions are just a single line in a much grander, more complex space? Perhaps there are directions we can't perceive, movements we can't make, and realities we can't even begin to imagine, simply because we're confined to our own familiar 3 dimensions. Our universe might just be a tiny segment of a much larger multidimensional string. So the next time you feel constrained, remember the line universe. It might just make you appreciate the incredible freedom of your own 3-dimensional existence. Or it might make you wonder what other dimensions are out there, just beyond our perception. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending videos like this.